Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss that affects many students out there, mental health care. As students, we often face numerous challenges from academic pressures to social demands. It's crucial to prioritize our mental well-being and learn effective strategies to take care of ourselves. Before we jump into the tips, let's understand why mental health is so important for students. Our mental health affects our overall well-being, academic performance, and relationships with others. When we prioritize our mental health, we can enhance our focus, concentration, and productivity, making our student journey more enjoyable. According to recent studies, 1 in 3 students experiences significant levels of stress, anxiety, or depression. These issues can lead to burnout, decreased motivation, and even impact physical health. It's crucial to address these challenges and take steps towards better mental well-being. Now that we understand the importance of mental health care, let's dive into some practical tips that can help students navigate their mental well-being. Tip 1. Prioritize self-care. First and foremost, prioritize self-care. Make sure to allocate time for activities that help you relax and rejuvenate. It could be anything from reading a book, taking a walk in nature, practicing mindfulness, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for your well-being. Tip 2. Establish a routine. Creating a routine can provide structure and stability to your day, which can reduce stress and anxiety. Set a consistent sleep schedule, allocate specific study hours, and include time for breaks and relaxation. By following a routine, you'll find it easier to manage your tasks and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Tip 3. Seek social support. Remember, you're not alone in your journey. Reach out to friends, family, or a trusted mentor when you need someone to talk to. Social support plays a significant role in boosting mental well-being. Join clubs or organizations that align with your interests, participate in group activities, and foster positive relationships. Surround yourself with a support system that understands and uplifts you. Tip 4. Practice stress management techniques. Stress is inevitable, but how we manage it makes a difference. Explore stress management techniques that work for you, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or engaging in physical activity. Experiment with different strategies and incorporate them into your routine. Remember, taking small breaks to relax and recharge can help improve your focus and overall well-being. Tip 5. Seek professional help when needed. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional help when you need it. If you find your mental health significantly impacting your daily life and activities, reach out to a counselor or mental health professional at your school or in your community. They are trained to provide the support and guidance you need to navigate through challenging times. Remember, your mental health matters, and taking care of yourself is essential for your success and happiness. By implementing these tips, you can create a positive and supportive environment for your mental well-being. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Take care, and we'll see you next time.